Hello learners, today we're going to be looking at blending syllables. We're going to review syllables and how they represent one beat of a spoken word and practice blending syllables together to say the word correctly. Listen to this word, cupcake. This word has two parts or beats that we call syllables. When we say words out loud, we can place our hand under our chin and we can feel how many beats or syllables are in the word. Listen. Cupcake. I felt my chin move 2 times, so cupcake has 2 syllables. And here's a picture of a nice, tasty cupcake. Now I'm going to name something that we see in our classrooms all the time, but I'm not going to say the word all at once. I'm going to say it part by part, or syllable by syllable. Listen carefully. Bookcase. Listen again. Bookcase. Let's say the whole word together. Bookcase. Full of books that we like to read, sitting in our classrooms. Listen to another word as I say it in parts. Pencil. Listen again. Pencil. Now I'll say it faster. Pencil. Pencil. I know that word. We use pencils all the time. All right, so now let's say some words in parts and try to blend the syllables back together to make a word we know. Ready? Here's the first one. Listen to these syllables. Paper. They make a word we know. Say the syllables with me. Paper. Now let's say the syllables faster. Let's blend them together. Paper. When you know the word, shout it out. Paper. Good, it's the word paper. Ready? Let's try another one. Here's another one. Closet. Say it with me. Closet. 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 Oh my God. Hi learners, today we're going to be looking at blending syllables. We're going to review syllables and how they represent one beat of a spoken word, and we're going to practice blending syllables together to say a word correctly. Listen to this word, cupcake. When I say that word, we can hear the syllables in that word. That word has 2 syllables or beats to that word. I can put my hand under my chin and I can feel how many times my chin moves when I say that word. Watch. Cupcake. I felt my chin move 2 times. Cupcake has 2 syllables. And here's a picture of a nice, tasty cupcake. I'm going to name something that we see in our classrooms all the time, but I'm not going to say the word all at once. I'm going to say it syllable by syllable or part by part. You listen. Bookcase. Listen again. Bookcase. Let's say the whole word together. Bookcase. Listen to another word as I say it in parts or syllables. Pencil. Listen again. Pencil. What word is it? Let's say it faster. Pencil. It's a pencil, what we use every day when we're writing. Now let's say some words in parts or syllables and try to blend those syllables back together to make a word we know. Ready? Listen to these syllables. Paper. They make a word we know. Say the syllables with me. Paper. Let's say them a little bit faster. Paper. What word is it? Paper. Nice job. Let's try another one. Closet. Say it with me. Closet. Let's say them a little bit faster. Closet. What word is it? A closet where we keep our clothes. Let's try another one. Number. Let's try that one together. Number. Let's say it a little bit faster. Number. What word do we have? Number. What we use and see all the time when we're doing math. How about this one? Carpet. Try it with me. Carpet. Let's say it a little bit faster. Carpet. What word do we have? Carpet. Yes. How about another one? This word is jacket. Let's try that one together. Jacket. Try it again a little bit faster. Jacket. What word do you have? Jacket. What you wear when it's cold outside. Let's try this one. Window. Try it again. Window. Say it a little bit faster. Window. What word do you have? Window. Yep. How about this one? This might be a little bit harder. Standing. Try that one with me. Standing. Let's say it a little bit faster. Standing. What word is it? Standing. Someone is standing up. Nice job. Ooh, how about this one? Okay. I'm going to say this word syllable by syllable, and you see the picture already, but when you know it, go ahead and say the word. Peanut. It's a picture of a peanut. Let's try another one. Airplane. What is it? Airplane. Here comes another one. Seashell. What is it? Seashell. How about this one? Magnet. Magnet. Good job. Try this one. Tiger. Tiger. Nice job. Ooh, what about this one? Music. Music. And how about this one? Table. Table. Nice job. Let's do one more. Thunder. What word is it? Thunder. Good job. So what did we learn today? We learned that syllables are parts of words that we can feel when we place our hand under our chin and feel how many times our chin moves when we say that word. And then we blend those syllables together to get our words. And that's going to help us for later when we are reading and when we're writing.